Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about organic social media marketing strategies that you can use to improve your reach. Now the honest fact is all social media platforms are reducing their organic reach so they can make more money out of paid promotions. But hey, don't give up hope just yet, because there are some social media strategies that you can use to improve your reach organically, and we'll discuss about them in this video. And guys, just a request, also if you'd like to consume this content in a blog format or on a written format, the link is down in the description, and while you're at it, do give it a subscribe guys. Now let's jump right in. So here's the thing, organically what you can actually do is build relationships. And how do you do that? You need to engage with the audience. Yes, the audience could be your already existing followers or the people that you can find using hashtags or using influencers, right? So here's why you need to spend time on building bonds. Number one, they would prefer us over our competitors. Number two, they will recommend us to a friend. Number three, they wouldn't mind spending more money with us. Number four, you get an opportunity to showcase your brand personality. Basically, building bonds implies you're going to get more trust, and these are the advantages. So let's look at the main strategies now. Number one that I want to talk about is brand takeovers. So basically what you have to do is you need to find a brand in your niche who is similar to yours, and then you need to take over their profile, and in return they will take over yours. Right. So what is the advantage of this? When you take over, you're going to take over their profile for 24 hours or something like that, and in those hours you get to post your content in their social media profile, and in those times they get to post in your social media profile. So this is an opportunity for you to get the attention of their audience and followers, and in return they are going to try and get the attention of your followers. This could be a win-win situation, a mutually beneficial strategy. So here are some tips. Make your content as irresistible as possible when you are doing brand takeovers. Here's an example. And the important thing is you shouldn't be too promotional. Try to add value and show some personality. The next thing that I want to talk about, and a lot of people use, is bot engagement. So basically you find people who might be interested in the content that you post in your niche, and you're going to follow them, comment in their posts, like them, engage with them. So you're going to get their attention, and once you get their attention, all you have to do is make your profile as irresistible as possible, so they will, when they come visit your profile, they will be impressed by what you are doing, and they eventually follow you. And you must have noticed, right, a lot of random accounts might come and follow you out of nowhere. So this is basically bot engagement strategies that different brands use, so do give it a try. The third thing that I want to talk about is you need to build relationships with influencers, and number one thing is influencer interview. Here's a fact, when you post content which features an influencer, it is going to get a lot of reach and shares and comments, right? And the second important thing is the influencer is going to share the interview content that you posted. So you're going to get more reach, more followers, and more than any of these, you're going to get a lot of trust because your brand is associated with an influencer. So try to score an influencer interview right now and see how the magic happens. The next thing is hijacking influencers' followers. So what you do with this is you're going to use bots, or you can go yourself, go and check out the influencers, commenters, likers, followers. All you have to do is you need to engage with them, and when I mean engage, you're going to follow them, like them, and comment. This might seem like a lot of spamming, but if you actually put in the time to get to know them or create some sort of a bond with them, I'm sure they're going to like you and they're going to follow you back, and your reach is going to increase. So this is called as hijacking influencers followers, and why don't you give it a try, because it has helped me a lot in growing my brand. Embed social media posts in influencers blog. So if you have an influencer in your niche who has a blog, who has a website and writes in it consistently, come up with some sort of an arrangement with them so that your social media post will be embedded in their blog, and this could be a long-term success for you, because generally an influencer's blog is going to get a lot of traffic for years to come, and if your post is good enough, they are going to come check you out. So give it a try. The next thing is use hashtags to join conversation. So hashtags, the main use of hashtags is so that you can find similar people in your niche, and when you find similar people, you're going to have similar interests, and with those similar interests, it will be really easy for you to start conversations with them. And why is that? I told you in the beginning, all you have to do is create bonds, build relationships, engage with them, right? If you are too busy to do all these things, hire someone to do this, right? Create bonds. This is creating bonds is one of the easiest way for you to get reach organically on social media. The next thing and the most important thing is forums or group. Whenever you get, if you are a company who gets a lot of DMs and comments in your social media profiles, this is what I suggest: redirect all these engaged audiences to a group, to your brand group, where all the audiences can engage with themselves and engage with you. This way you can get a lot of feedbacks, so that you can improve your brand, and you can actually understand your customers expectations, right? And this brings us to the next step: run contests to grow your forum. Run contests. I have a separate video for all the contest ideas. I think I have over 20 to 30 contest ideas that you can use to grow your social media profiles. So check it out on my channel and do subscribe if you like content like this. I'll give you an example of a contest, right? Tag to win contest. So basically giveaways. You're going to have something, a prize that your customer completely values, and for them to get it, they are going to tag their friends in the comments or in your group. So a lot of new people who might be interested in your niche is going to get the attention of your group, and when they get it, and with proper content, you'll be able to add them to the group, and when the forum grows, your brand will grow. So make sure you use a lot of contests to grow your forum so your brand grows eventually. The next thing I actually want to talk about is brand advocates. If you have a lot of fans, even if it's 5 or 10 super fans that you have for your brand, you need to be able to appreciate their effort, and in turn they will appreciate you more. So super fans means these are people who actually share 82 to 90% of your content, right? So you understand what super fans mean. They share your content without you asking for it. Now what you have to do is identify these people and understand what motivates them, what they like about you, and all those things. And in turn, you're going to give them a plan. As in, you're going to give them offers that not everyone is going to do. Only for brand advocacy offers. For brand advocates, you're going to have special offers, so that it's a way of you appreciating them, and in return, they will appreciate you more by sharing your content. You do not need to ask them, like, you can just remember to give them the freedom to share whatever content that they want. You can have awards like promoter of the week, so that your super fans will actually feel even more appreciated, and in return your shares is going to grow a lot more. And once you do things like this, even these people who might be mildly interested in your brand will, when they come to know about these brand advocacy team or plan or groups, they are going to want to join it because they want special groups, and in return all they have to do is share the content that they actually already like. How interesting is that? The next thing that I want to talk about is leverage the power of employees. This is basically making your employees as brand advocates. So first what you have to do is you need to identify people in your company who has a lot of social media following, and you have to identify people who are extremely active on social media. Once you do that, all you have to do is give them a little push or an incentive, so that they are going to promote your content, and they wouldn't mind doing that because they work for your company. And in return, the incentives could be offers or more vacations. Just brainstorm. The giveaways that you give is completely up to you, and you can get as creative as you want. The next strategy that I want to talk about is a bit more like a content strategy rather than a marketing strategy, but both goes hand in hand, and hence I wanted to mention this here. You need to take up on a social cause. Let me throw some psychological facts in here. Here's the thing: when you take up on a social cause, the content that you're gonna put out is going to be unique, and it amazes a lot of people, and people in general want to contribute, right? They want to feel important, and when you give them an opportunity to be a part of something big, they're going to take it, and this has a more chance of getting viral, because usually social causes is going to trigger a lot of emotions, and as we discussed in previous videos, emotional content works really well. So take up on a social cause and involve influencers in it, so that familiar faces will be involved, and people will be more likely to engage with familiar faces, and it's an advantage for your brand. The next thing is live videos of events. You need to post live videos of events. Starbucks used this to get more attention to their brand. Starbucks posted a live video of Rufus King Park in Jamaica to celebrate the National Voters Registration Day, and this got a lot of attention on social media, and their brand grew a little bit because of this. So if you have a big event coming up in your locality, or some event that your target audience actually care about, then make sure you post a live video of this, so you'll get a lot of attention through this. Now we are coming to cross-platform or multi-platform strategies. So the first and the most easiest multi-platform strategy is, if you have more followers on one platform and if you wish to grow another platform, all you have to do is do a cross-platform strategy. First, just let them know that you are on the other social media as well, social media platform as well, and tell them what kind of content you're going to post, and your fans will obviously go check it out. But even if that doesn't work, you can use cross-platform contest, in which it's again a giveaway. You're going to have a prize, and for people to get their prize, they have to go and follow you on the other social media. Now, this is not spamming because you're giving people a choice and it is up to them to go and do it. Now we are coming to funneling from other platforms. How you can grow your social media through other platforms. And number one is blogging. Add your social media post, embed your social media post in your blogs, so this could get a lot of attention. Connect your feed at the end of each and every blog or your website so that people get attracted to it. An exclusive bloggers offer, just like we discussed about cross-platform strategy, this is one of those things. If you have a lot of readers in your website and you want to improve your social media presence, all you have to do is, let's say you have a free ebook or something that people value, what you have to do is you need to tell them that these readers need to go and follow you on social media and then DM you a code that is present in the website, and if they DM you the code, you're going to give them the ebook. That is how cool is this. This will work on a lot. I have seen a lot of YouTubers use this. Now bloggers can also use this. The next thing is free events. Now this is similar to live videos. Basically what you have to do is conduct an event, and the pass for the event is basically your social media followers, right? It's a free event, anyone can come and attend, but that anyone should be following your social media. Now for this to work, your event should have really valuable content or the topic that a lot of people are waiting or craving to look at. And if you cover such a live event somewhere, and all people have to do to enter the live event is follow you, they are going to follow you. And if your content, if your profile is irresistible, they are going to keep following you. It's as simple as that. The next thing and the most easiest way to grow on social media is going viral on YouTube. The future is videos, right? How much hours do you spend each day watching YouTube, and how much hours each day do you spend reading books or blogs? Now content is consumed increasingly in video format, and you need to get to YouTube if you haven't gotten in yet. And I have a separate complete guide on how to get started and how to market your YouTube channel. Like, if you look through the playlist, that is all you need to succeed in YouTube, from starting to marketing strategies to content strategies to everything that you need to know. I'll cover in that, so check it out in my channel and subscribe it if you haven't yet. So yeah guys, I hope this video helped, and if you like this kind of content, do give it a like and subscribe, which will help me a lot. And comment down below if you have any more social media strategies that you can use to grow your brand organically, or if you have any doubts, please do comment down below. And thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.